After 10 beautiful days in Montenegro, we are now crossing the border into Bosnia, bringing us deeper into the Balkans.
Welcome to Bosnia. There's the hotel straight ahead, but it's one way, so we have to go around. You take one look at this neighborhood and you can just see the communist era buildings, all exactly the same. Each apartment is signed by the government. Assume we bear left. Yes. And here it is. I am a professional parallel parker. We have arrived in Mostar, and Jeannie picked this hotel, the Hotel Petra, which is about a 7-minute walk into the town. So everything's walkable. And basically we'll just leave our car parked right there and we'll give you a little walkthrough. Very clean hotel. They serve breakfast here. Breakfast is included. And it's €40 a night. And we're on the first floor, corner unit. And it's nice for a little hotel. We're here 2 nights. I don't know if I said that already. Has an elevator. And a refrigerator, nice air conditioning. Little flat screen, king size bed, and there you have it, and a regular bathroom. But we'll give you a walkthrough of the town in a little while. We have indeed reached the walking street, and it is no more than 7-minute walk from the hotel. Jeannie did a great job once again of sourcing a hotel this time and putting us in perfect walking
And not too close.
Walking distance, right.
Because any closer you would be in the town.
That's right. But this is already quite charming. And not only did she source a good restaurant, I mean a good hotel, but I think she found a great restaurant too for us.
And what about my recommendations for the shoes?
Oh, good call. She told me to take my flip-flops off and put my sneakers on. Pro tip with this cobblestone here.
It's not even cobblestone.
It's river rocks with cement, and
Very difficult to walk on if you had
pro tip, put your
sandals.
sneakers on.
Yeah.
And we can see our first look at the old town coming up. They sell everything here. Hello.
Hello. This is our traditional hotel.
Oh, we're good, thank you. Do you know where this restaurant is?
No,
Oh, do you want to just like punch it in and check it out?
I can. I think it's near the bridge, though.
Okay, I think you're right.
Hi, restaurant by delivery. You can see the menu.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
There most certainly is. Beautiful. Look at the restaurants down there. And
There's the bridge.
there's our first mosque.
I think that's the bridge, right?
I believe that might be it. No, that's a smaller bridge. There's one more. I don't know, we'll find out. Let's move on. There's a lot of ways to walk down there too. This is definitely quite an experience here. The food they're cooking smells good. Okay, let's continue on. It starts to get a little bit more narrow. One of the things we read was this place gets really busy in the middle of the day, but if you come here early in the morning or later on in the evening, it's not as crowded. Right now, as we get more deeper into the place, it looks like it's getting crowded. Megelőztek ezek minket. They got ice cream gelato here, like most of the Balkans. I believe we're about to see the bridge. And that's the first look from the side of it. See if I can't get over here a bit more.
Yeah.
Huh? There it is. You know we're going to get the drone up. I might somehow get over to that bridge and launch. But I'll find a good place and put it up tomorrow. These guys are jumpers. We'll see what's going to happen.
Mostar.
You can take raft rides down the river.
500 years old. And we're going to see if these guys are going to
And these guys right at the top, they're waiting for more tips before they jump, but that's an awful long jump down. I'd say at least 100 feet, maybe more.
You're not sure? Ooh, it was 100 feet.
What do you guess it is?
How many feet? 12? 12 feet?
No,
you think?
bigger than 12.
A bit more than that.
This guy's not going to jump until he gets more money, so we're going to bounce. We'll come back with another time. Everybody here is gathered around to watch these two guys jump, but they're not going to do anything until they collect more money.
وهذا السوق القديم السوق القديم هذا يعتبر من احسن ومن اروع الاسواق الموجوده في مدينه مستار، والتي تشتهر بصناعه النحاس وبصناعه الصواني وبصناعه
Here's another example of one of the rafts speeding down the river. If they're jumping from this height, this water has to be really deep. All right, let's move along. Of interest here.
We already passed it.
Of interest here is how many mosques they have in this city, which is highly populated with the Muslim community. Now, on this side, I think it's mostly Catholic, and on this side, mostly Muslim, from what I read anyway. That was one of the restaurants we were thinking about eating at Lagero, right there above the Admiral sign. Okay, let me go find Jeannie. So now that we're on the other side of the bridge, we're more in the Muslim section. The buildings are definitely older. We get a nice reverse of the bridge and the town. There's many, many viewpoints.
Also ja, vom ganz entfernt, ja. Aber drücken kann man gucken.
Ya bir tane şöyle bir poz var abla bak.
I think he likes you. I think he likes you.